So we just got a bunch of boxes. You see some 2.5s here. These are all from Pyro Direct. Bunch more. You see in this one, it says 12. Let's see, you can block that sunlight for you. 4-inch, some 4-inch tubes. Got some more 2.5s, a bunch more 2.5s. Some 3-inch tubes in these boxes. More. You can see there's some more inside too while they were packed. We definitely have, I think, another 200 3s, 200 2.5s. We got 86 more 4-inch, I believe it was. So we got almost 500 more tubes. We got to build some more racks. So. Now we get the fun time of building about 50 more racks to add to the rest of the stuff that we have already there. But that's some more tubes to do. I'm going to build a lot of racks, so this winter will be a rack building party. Yay.